When we made the first part of this two-part series, we made the pickled eggs, and here they are, but I didn't have a clue what to do with them that would make it somewhat interesting. So I really did some thinking on this, and I think I came up with some really cool ideas. So you're gonna see me eating these for the first time. So, of course, we have my grandpa's way, and we'll actually get to that later where you just, gross. But the first thing I thought was, how about a salad? Pickled egg on a salad. So we're gonna grab a pickled egg. Put it on our little cutting board here. All right, let me move this stuff around a little bit. Put it on our cutting board, slice it up. I'm sorry, I gotta try one of these. Not gonna tell you yet. I'm gonna place it onto my salad, like so, and try it. That, my friends, is a great combination. Pickled egg and a salad. I don't even have salad dressing on here or seasoning or anything. It's just a salad mix I bought from the local grocery store, and that's absolutely amazing. So, put that off to the side. The next way I thought is, how about on a sandwich? So, voila. I've got all the fixing here for a sandwich. The way I like it. Cheese, lettuce, I'm gonna take some mayo. You can use Miracle Whip, I guess, if you want. That'd be all right. Put it on. The thing I like about mustard, it's already vinegar based, so it'll go well with the vinegar and the brine that's already with the pickled eggs. Put it on like so. You could have like an egg salad, I guess. That'd be kind of cool. But I'm going to use roast beef. Roast beef is my absolute all-time favorite. Take another egg. Not grandpa style. Slice this bad boy up. Put it onto our sandwich here. Time to try it out. Now this I could eat a lot. That's absolutely delicious. Now I'm gonna take another bite. Yum. All right, that's the second way. Okay, so our third way, I figured, take it out. Try a little Tabasco sauce on it. Already vinegar based, so it ought to go well together. A little drop on this bad boy. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. But my favorite Tabasco is the green one. Oh, that's the way to eat it right there. This would go so well with a beer. I need a beer. Hey, just like that, there's a beer. Imagine that, me drinking a beer. Yep, that goes really well. Thought I'd try it with Frank's wing sauce. I love this wing sauce. Pour just a dab on there, like so. That would be killer too. You add that, put that onto that sandwich that we had earlier. Man almighty, that'd be good. So the next way we're gonna go is adding a little bit of flavored salt to it. One of our subscribers sent this to me. Now they haven't, I think they just make it out of their home, and I've tried this on other things. It's their habanero banana. Man, I want to try it on an egg. A little bit of this stuff goes a long ways. Wow. So far, this is my favorite way to go. Absolutely. Love that. So another way I thought was with cottage cheese. Let's try it out. See if we got enough egg. Oh yeah. I'm gonna cut it in half. Put a scoop of cottage cheese on this bad boy. That's really good. I really enjoy that. I would highly recommend, so far I'd really highly recommend all of these. The last way, tried and true, is my dear old Grandpa Wolford style. I can't quite get my finger in there. Did you get the hint? Just like this. It drops pieces. My Grandpa Wolford would be proud of these. He would. And if I had a big enough pickle jar, he wouldn't use tongs. Man, he'd just reach right in, pull it out, eat away. You know, it's fine just like this. This will make something great for Thanksgiving or the holidays. This is like a side dish. You know, I bet kids would love this stuff. I know adults would, or at least I would. So anyhow, guys, this wraps up our two-part series on killer pickled eggs. Give them a try. You guys saw in the first episode how we did it, how we made it, and now you see all the different variations of how we ate it. Stuff's good, guys. Anyhow, for Thanksgiving week, we're not going to release an episode. This is pretty much our Thanksgiving episode right here. This week we had, the other day, we had a green bean casserole, our take on it. Very, very low carb. Absolutely delicious. Check it out. It's right up here. And pickled eggs. I want to wish you all a safe, healthy, and happy Thanksgiving, guys. From us here at the Dude's Kitchen, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that bell for notifications, because we're going to continue to do this all through the winter, and we'll be either here in the kitchen or out there on the patio. So take care, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. We'll talk to you later. Remember, the dude abides with pickled eggs. Talk to you later.